back to my channel. My name is Resney, the Litmer on Instagram and TikTok if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for all your help and support towards this channel and helping it grow. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Resney, the Litmer on Instagram and TikTok, and I make all sorts of videos, but specifically beauty, fashion, reviews here and there, and then whatever else comes to mind. So if you're interested in joining me in my crazy adventures, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. We're trying to reach 600 subscribers, so please be a part of that by subscribing and sharing this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the details of this wig. This is Cheyenne by Outre PERFECT HAIRLINE. So if you want to see how I installed it in the deets, please stick around and keep watching. So I will leave this wig linked in the description box below in case you're interested. So let's talk about this wig. Not a fan. I'm gonna try to finesse it in a little bit. I'm heating up my hot comb. I like the curl pattern online, but in person, when I took it out of the box, because this is like my third time filming this wig review, so I kept losing my footage the first time around, and then the wig wasn't cooperating the second time around. When I took it out of the box, it kind of looked like this, but much thinner. I like this one. It was giving very much ramen noodle vibes. I have been brushing it out because that's not my vibe. If you like that vibe, then by all means do you. The ends are very stringy. I didn't get a lot of shedding when I first cut the lace the first time that I did the wig review, and I'm not getting a lot of shedding as I'm brushing it out now. The reason why I'm brushing it is because since I don't like it, I'm trying to make it work. I don't know if it's the color. I thought I would like the color in this pattern because I have the Dominica wig in this color and I really like it, but for some reason I don't know what it is. This is not, it's giving me Daenerys Targaryen, and I'm not a fan of Game of Thrones. I was going for more early 2000s Shakira. I feel like the lace on here is pretty nice. For me, Outre PERFECT HAIRLINE has the best lace. The wig cap is not that big head friendly. It's tight. Like, it's very snug. My hair is not as flat, but that's how I normally wear my hair for my wigs, and it's really tight and I kind of feel it slipping. But the slipping could be from the faux scalp because this does have the faux scalp. But I like what they did with this one because they sewed it down. You can kind of see a little bit. The black part is like my hairline there. But the faux scalp is sewn onto the wig, so it's not shifting around like with the other ones that I had to cut out. Has the 13x6 parting, so 13 lace from ear to ear. And then the 6 inches, I think it's like this much of it is 6 inches. It does have the elastic hairband, the adjustable straps, the whole shebang. When I stand up, the wig is about here, so underneath my breast, maybe about my waist length. I'm about 5'3", 5'4"-ish, somewhere in between. I keep moving it around to see if like it grows on me. I don't know. What do you guys think about this color? Is it a vibe? If you don't like big hair, don't brush it out. I'm seeing if I brush it out and it gets poofy, if I like it, because right now I can tell you, I don't know if it's the color or the pattern of the curls. Something about it I just don't like. Okay, so I brushed it out a little bit more. It's growing on me, no pun intended. Flatten this a little bit because it's very humpy up top. Let's add some powder. So this would definitely be like a glue down install for me when I decide to wear it out. This is what it looks like after I finessed it as much as I could for today without gluing it down. The curls keep clumping together, so I guess you can revert it if you probably like spray it down with water a little bit and like finger coil it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not loving it 100%, to be honest. She's cute though. Maybe a different color would have been a better option. Maybe, I feel like it kind of washes me out, but then the Dominica didn't do that for me. I don't know. let me know what you think. Okay, mi gente, eso es todo for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry, maybe it'll be better next time. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at The Lit Mirror. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. We're almost to 600 subscribers, so please be a part of that by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends, family, or whoever you deem relevant of watching me. Stay safe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.